Hello, I'm Stephen from MSI Canada.
And I'm Annie from Intel Canada, and we're excited to tell you about the new MSI Prestige 16 AI EVO.
This laptop is a game changer for professionals and creators who are always on the move. And with MSI AI engine, the Prestige 16 AI EVO maintains optimum performance whether you are creating a masterpiece or managing your business.
As a professional, I often work on my creative projects in cafes. Can this laptop handle 4K video editing on the go?
Yes, for sure. The Prestige 16 AI EVO is designed to keep up with your creative flow, featuring a full-size SD card reader, which is super helpful for creators.
Now, Stephen, I travel a lot for work. How's the portability?
At slightly over 3 pounds, it's ultra light and ultra slim, making it the perfect travel companion. Crafted from magnesium aluminum alloy for unmatched durability and a premium feel.
Let's talk about the processing power.
The Prestige 16 AI is powered by Intel, but Annie, since you are the expert, why don't you tell us more about its capabilities?
With the Intel Core Ultra 9 processor, this laptop ensures tasks are handled with ease. Imagine a world where your PC isn't just something you work on, but a tool that adapts and responds to the way you create, play, and collaborate. That's the magic of Intel Core Ultra processors. They're not just about speed and power, though they've got plenty of both. These processors are about unlocking new realms of possibility right at your fingertips. With the Intel Core Ultra, AI is right there with you, enhancing every project, every game, every piece of music or art you create. It's the first processor with a dedicated CPU, GPU, and NPU, meaning it doesn't just process tasks, it anticipates them. Picture this, you're editing photos or videos, and with just a few clicks, they're not just enhanced, they're transformed. And all of that data, it stays right there on your local device, ensuring privacy. Intel is pioneering over 300 AI experiences, ensuring that your favorite software doesn't just run, it soars. So whether you're working hard or playing hard, the Intel Core Ultra is not just in your computer, it's at the heart of your productivity.
And with MSI AI engine, it's like having a smart assistant who knows exactly what you need, from optimizing performance for creative software to relaxing while watching your favorite movie.
So Stephen, I often work from crowded areas. Does it have any features to improve audio quality during calls?
Yes, for sure. AI Noise Cancellation Pro and the spatial audio features ensure your voice is always the focus, no matter where you are.
In my line of work, speed is crucial. How does this laptop handle internet connectivity?
With Wi-Fi 7, you are getting the fastest available wireless speed. This is crucial for professionals who needs to upload large files or collaborate online in real time.
Fast internet is a must for me. Also, a long-lasting battery life is crucial for my work. What can you tell me about the battery life on this laptop?
The Prestige 16 AI's battery ensures you are powered throughout the day. This battery can last for up to 19 hours of 1080p video playback. And when it's time to charge, the 100-watt PD 3.0 fast charging tech quickly power up the laptop.
That's ideal for those moments when I need a quick charge before heading to my next appointment or preparing for my next meeting.
Last but not least, the 16-inch QHD Plus display is nothing short of stunning. Whether you are editing photos or designing graphics, the colors pop and the details are crisp and clear.
The MSI Prestige 16 AI EVO is more than just a laptop. It's a companion that understands the needs of today's creative professionals. And with its combination of power, elegance, and intelligence, it definitely stands out in a crowded market.
I hope you discover how the MSI Prestige 16 AI EVO can transform your work and productivities.